A very good morning, dear students. Welcome to the School of Mathematics. Wish you all a very happy new year. I really hope this new year bring lots of success and good wishes for all of you. In today's class, we are going to discuss chapter 13, Exponents and Powers for class 7 in their NCERT maths book. Exponents and powers deals with the numbers converting from bigger numbers to smaller numbers. Generally जो distance होते हैं planets के बीच में या distance between sun and earth is there. So all those numbers are generally very large numbers. In this chapter today I am going to give you the introduction about exponents and powers, wherein in the exercise we are going to discuss the questions, how to convert bigger numbers to smaller numbers, how to apply the laws of exponents, how to simplify the questions based on exponents. So today's topic is about the introduction to this chapter. Before we start with that, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, I have given my WhatsApp number. In case of maths online tutoring classes, you can also drop a WhatsApp message to know more about them. So let's begin with the topic. Like I told you, distance between different planets is generally very large. As you can see, distance between Sun and Saturn. Now it is such a number which we have to think twice before telling to anybody. Similarly, distance between Sun and Earth is also a very large number. So all these numbers are so large that we really need to think twice before saying it out. All these numbers can be expressed in a shorter form, which is generally known as the exponential form in mathematics. So in the chapter Exponents and Powers of chapter 13, we are going to discuss all these questions. We are going to convert these bigger numbers into the smaller numbers. Also, we are going to use different laws of exponents, and we are going to learn their application. In my upcoming videos, I will solve exercise wise questions, and I will give you a proper explanation of how to solve those questions, how to present your answers in a very simplified manner. So don't be scared. This is a very simple chapter, and I'm sure you will have an interesting time learning it. Apart from that, now, as I told you, exponents help us to convert from larger numbers to smaller numbers. We are going to see how to express a number in the exponential form. As you can see here, a raised to power x is there. So in this particular case, the number a or the variable a is known as the base term, and the exponent term is x in this case. So when we come across the questions also, we will come to know how to write the number in exponential form. Bigger numbers को smaller numbers में exponential form में कैसे express करते हैं, or we are going to do vice versa also. If a number is given in exponential form, how do we write it in expanded form? All these kind of questions we are going to cover in this chapter. देन अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, जैसे नंबर्स हम लिखते हैं ए स्क्वायर, तो ऐसे नंबर्स का एक पर्टिकुलर नाम होता है, ए स्क्वायर्ड, ए क्यूब. अगर जनरल टर्म है ए रेज टू पावर एक्स, सो सी द वे इट इज रिटन ए रेज्ड टू द पावर एक्स. So sometimes children get confused while reading the exponential form also. There is a particular way to read the variable or read the number which is given in the exponential form. So all those parts also I will explain while we are solving the questions of the exercise. Now, in this chapter, we are going to cover some very important points: expressing numbers as product of prime factors, expressing numbers in exponential form, simplifying and comparing numbers, laws of exponents, which we are going to apply in exercise 13.2, and it is a very important topic because laws of exponents आपको अच्छे से कैसे अप्लाई करना है, कौन सा लॉ कैसे एप्लीकेबल होता है, बिगर नंबर्स को स्मॉलर नंबर्स में कैसे कन्वर्ट करते हैं, स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म क्या होती है एक्सपोनेंशियल फॉर्म की. ऑल दोज पॉइंट्स वी आर गोइंग टू कवर इन द video in the upcoming videos for chapter 13. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and keep watching my videos for more information. Thank you.